welcome to my cloud series for this week. This week I'll be talking about the difference between DevOps and cloud computing. So what is DevOps? DevOps is people, process and technology coming together to improve software delivery actually. Cloud computing is just a set of tools and services that helps you to provision compute, networking and storage on steroids. I practically called it computing, networking, storage on steroids actually, meaning that you can have compute whenever, however, wherever you want it actually. So let's dive deep into the difference between DevOps and cloud computing. So first of all, why DevOps is very service centric, cloud computing is more product centric. What do I mean? If you're talking about DevOps, you cannot tie it to a single tool or a single set of tools, but cloud computing can tie it to a set of tools, a set of services provided by a cloud computing vendor. That takes me over to the next difference between cloud computing and DevOps. So why cloud computing is very vendor centric, meaning that there are specific people who actually provide cloud computing as a service. So you have AWS, you have Google Cloud, and then you have Azure. But when it comes to DevOps, you don't really have a vendor that is solely in charge of DevOps practices and what goes on in DevOps. Another difference also you can look at is that DevOps talks about process, how to improve and optimize process, while cloud computing talks about specific tools and services provided by a cloud computing provider. For example, you talk about S3, you know that you're just talking about AWS as the provider of that particular service. So these are just some of the basic differences that go on between DevOps and cloud computing that can help you to navigate through the difference and know what to choose, mostly when you are choosing a career path, when you are choosing what you want to focus on, and how these two tie back together. But eventually, the DevOps practices can also be improved, can be infused into the cloud computing services. So for example, you have AWS for DevOps, you have Google for DevOps, and then you have Azure for DevOps, because all these cloud computing providers have tools that helps you, enables the DevOps culture and the DevOps practices in your organization. Thank you very much for watching my cloud series this week. This is our update for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates on cloud computing and DevOps. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Medium, and on Twitter to get more updates on cloud computing. Thank you very much.